Hey guys, happy holiday. I hope that you're having a great time so far. Today I'm going to go into my kitchen and I am going to be making some honey garlic ribs with a barbecue twist. The first thing first, I'm going to use some mustard to just baste my ribs so that my season can stick to the ribs properly. Then I'm going to just go ahead and use my hand to rub the mustard and the meat. Ensure that you do it for both sides. Here is some green season that I blend. So I have, in this blend, I have green onions, garlic, and ginger. And if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know where you are watching from and how is your holiday going so far. For seasoning, I have some Maggi all-purpose season. I have Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. I have barbecue season in this container. I also have some paprika, some garlic pepper and herbs, and some dry thyme. I do not measure how much season that I'm using. I just put a generous amount of season on the meat. Ensure that you season on both sides. So you want to season, flip the ribs and season on the other side as well. After I finish seasoning my meat, I'm just going to leave it in this container to marinate for at least 2 hours until I'm ready to prepare it. But you can go right away and start preparing your ribs. After 2 hours, I'm ready to prepare my ribs. So here I have a baking tray that I put a baking paper on because I do not have any file paper. So I'm just going to make use of this baking sheet that I have. So I'm just going to wrap the ribs into the baking sheet and put it in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for 3 hours or until it is cooked. Now onto our sauce. So I have some honey garlic sauce here and I'm going to just add some to a container, generous amount. I also have this barbecue sauce that I'm just going to mix with it to give my honey garlic barbecue ribs. And guys, I'm telling you, this is so delicious and you should definitely give it a try. When you give it a try, let me know how yours turned out. Do you like it? Yes or not? So my ribs is finished cooking. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my sauce to it and put it back into the oven to bake for at least 20 minutes because it is cooked. You just want the sauce to absorb to the meat. It is smelling absolutely delicious, guys. I'm not joking. You should definitely run go in your kitchen and start making this honey garlic barbecue ribs. Maybe I should do a bigger piece, but no worries, next time. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're going to try this ribs. I cannot wait to taste it. Look at this. It is so delicious. I'm just gonna have this with some mashed potato that I made and some salad along with it. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipe. God bless you. Bye.